My project is called Opvækst. I see it as a celebration of how the natural curiosity of a child can be nurtured. I would often stop and look at a worm or something on the ground, and I had these adults that would stop with me and share this interest with me instead of telling me to move faster. In a world that moves very fast, it can be healing to take a moment to appreciate something small. And I think there's a sense of safety and stability from how the systems of nature work to keep us alive. My parents are both cell biologists, so they have passed on this nerdy approach to life onto me. I grew up between their two homes, so I kind of see this project as a symbolic third home. It becomes like a home for my inner child. I've been very inspired by this poem that my great-grandmother and my grandmother always quoted a lot. Jeg tror, der ligger et barn dybt inde i alle levende ting, der gror. Et barn, der er som en fuglevinge, en lille Gud, der er evigt stor. Han er i regn, og hvor støv må tørste, i vandets rislen, i træets saft, i alt det mindste, i alt det største, den mindste enhed, den største kraft. Hør blæsten synger din sang, veninde. Se træet blomstre på barnets bud. Jeg tror, der lever et barn dybt inde, en kraft, som aldrig kan drives ud.